Hey guys! Today we're diving deep, literally, into the hidden iceberg of the internet. You know those expensive tools everyone talks about? Photoshop, Microsoft Office, Premiere Pro, the ones that seem like you can't live without them? Yeah, those ones that cost you an arm and a leg every month. Well, what if I told you there are free tools out there that do exactly the same job, or even better? Most people don't even know they exist, but today you're going to. So grab your notepad because I'm about to show you 10 free hidden gems that will make you say goodbye to paid tools for good. 1. Canva, the all-in-one creator. If you're creating social media posts, thumbnails, resumes, or presentations, forget spending on Photoshop or Illustrator. Canva is a drag-and-drop design tool that lets you create stunning visuals in minutes, even if you have zero design experience. It's filled with pre-made templates, animations, and brand kits. You can design thumbnails, posters, or even video intros right in your browser. Pro tip: use the magic resize feature to instantly adapt your design for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more, all in one click. It beats paid tools because it's fast, intuitive, and doesn't require any installation. You can literally design on your phone and post instantly. 2. GIMP, the Photoshop Slayer. If you've ever wanted Photoshop-level editing, but without the subscription nightmare, GIMP is your savior. It's a free, open-source image editor packed with professional features, layers, masks, filters, color correction, and more. You can even install Photoshop brushes and open PSD files directly. Pro tip: add the Resynthesizer plugin. It gives you a content-aware fill tool just like Photoshop's Magic Eraser. The best part, it runs smoothly on most laptops and has a passionate community constantly updating it. You get pro-grade photo editing without paying a dime. 3. Audacity, the audio editing beast. Whether you're recording podcasts, music, or voiceovers, Audacity is one of the most reliable audio editors ever made. You can record, cut, mix, and master sound with powerful effects like reverb, noise reduction, and EQ. Pro tip: use the noise reduction and compressor combo to make your voice sound clean and studio-ready, perfect for YouTube videos. Why it beats paid tools like FL Studio or Adobe Audition? Because it's lightweight, open source, and has everything you need to produce professional quality sound. 4. Blender, the 3D powerhouse. This one is a game changer. Blender is a full 3D creation suite that competes directly with industry giants like Maya and Cinema 4D, and it's completely free. You can model, animate, sculpt, simulate, render, and even edit video, all inside one software. Pro tip: try Blender's Grease Pencil feature to mix 2D and 3D animation. It's perfect for creating animated intros or explainer videos. Even Hollywood studios use Blender. It's one of those rare tools that's free, but still powerful enough for blockbuster-level work. 5. LibreOffice, the Microsoft Office replacement. Why keep paying for Word or Excel when LibreOffice gives you the entire suite for free? It includes Writer, Calc, Impress, and even a database manager. It's fully compatible with Office formats, so you can open and save .docx, .xlsx, and .pptx files with no problem. Pro tip: customize your toolbar to look exactly like Microsoft Office for an easier transition. It's offline, lightweight, and gets the job done perfectly, without subscriptions or licenses. 6. Scrivener, the writer's dream tool. If you're a writer, content creator, or even a YouTuber who writes long scripts, Scrivener is a total game changer. It lets you organize chapters, notes, and ideas visually so you can see your project structure in one place. Pro tip: use the corkboard view to drag and rearrange ideas. It's like having your entire story on a physical board, but digital and way smarter. It's better than Word or Notion for long-form content because it's built specifically for writers who need structure and focus. 7. Inkscape, the Illustrator alternative. Designers, meet your new best friend. Inkscape is a professional vector graphics editor, perfect for creating logos, icons, and illustrations. It's open source, powerful, and exports SVG files that work perfectly with any design workflow. Pro tip: use Path to Trace Bitmap to instantly convert an image into editable vector art. Inkscape can easily replace Illustrator for 90% of tasks, and it runs faster on mid-range laptops. 8. Krita, the artist's playground. If you're into digital painting or illustration, Krita is one of the best free tools ever made. It's created by artists for artists, and it shows. You get hundreds of customizable brushes, powerful layer control, and excellent pen pressure sensitivity. Pro tip: turn on the stabilizer setting for smooth professional line art. Krita easily rivals Photoshop or Corel Painter for digital art, and since it's open source, it just keeps getting better every update. 9. Shotcut Pro-Level Video Editing. Now for my video creators, meet Shotcut, the free video editor that feels like Premiere Pro without the monthly bill. You can edit in Forte, apply transitions, filters, and even use chroma key for green screens. Pro tip: add your own LUTs for cinematic color grading. It gives your videos that professional movie feel instantly. It's perfect for creators who want serious editing power but don't want to spend hundreds on software. 10. VSDC Free Video Editor Visual Effects Made Simple. If you want something more effects-focused, VSDC is another hidden gem. It supports motion tracking, color correction, and tons of transitions. Pro tip: use its video stabilization tool to smooth out shaky footage, perfect for vlogs or handheld videos. It's designed for creators who want full control without the complicated learning curve or expensive license fees. And there you have it, 10 free hidden gems that can completely replace the expensive paid tools everyone says you need. From design and video editing to writing and 3D animation, these free tools prove that creativity doesn't depend on your budget, it depends on your curiosity. So the next time someone tells you they can't create because they can't afford software, send them this video. If you discovered even one new tool today, drop a diamond in the comments and tell me which one you're downloading first. And don't forget to hit the like button, share this with your creative friends, and subscribe for more free tool discoveries. Because remember, it's not about the tool you use, it's about how you use it. Now go out there and create something amazing for free.